Oh, no, nobody with that funny video. Nobody that funny video. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Don't mind these two. So, today, we're going to be trying some snacks from different countries. Some of them we can't even read. But, yeah. Hope you enjoy the video. Which one we want to try first?
Let's try all of them. Right, just open them
Okay,
all.
so we're going to do the shrimp chips, wasabi shrimp chips first.
Wasabi. Yeah, that.
This one's actually good. So I tried it before. Try it. Let me see. It's good. What? Oh God! Oh.
Yeah, can some napkin, please? Scott, enjoy.
So how you like it?
No, man, I'm just so too much.
Nope.
What's next?
We try this one next.
Can I get a beer, please?
Coated peanuts, hot and spicy. Well, wait, but hold on. The shrimp chips is from
Bring me a beer.
Thailand.
And it's not good.
I can go get the beer.
Well, I guess it's an acquired taste, and it depends. Hold on, I got it. There you go.
Man, you missed that.
Yeah,
You upset that?
it's good.
No, we can't do that.
I ain't think I'd go there.
Okay, so
Who is?
the peanuts is from Indonesia. Hot and spicy coated peanuts. Okay.
Go good with beer.
Now when they lock down your one of me, No, stop. You like it? I not say taste in my mouth. I don't like it.
Not really.
That one's a fail.
Yeah,
That one's a
that's
fail.
what it is. No.
Okay, now we got some
No.
mee goreng chips. This one's from Peace. This one's from Hong Kong. Is it? I think so. Anyway, I see Hong Kong in there. We gonna try this one. Said it tastes like fried noodles. Should be
I
good.
love noodles, so it should be perfect. Oh.
I mean,
Shrimp
it
lo mein.
it do taste like noodles.
Like noodles, yeah.
Shrimp lo mein.
Shrimp lo mein.
Fried noodles.
That's you. Okay, yeah, you're right. You're right.
Yeah, this not
Yeah.
bad. Yeah,
I'll give that one a pass.
yeah.
So Scott gave the shrimp chips a pass. You like the shrimp chips?
No.
You have Jamaican taste buds, that's why I can't taste the Scott taste.
I mean, maybe.
Yeah. This is good.
Yeah, I like that one.
The shrimp chips will probably go good with some shrimp linguine or something.
Yeah, probably. Now we got some sour cream potato sticks. This should be good.
That's from where?
Where's this from? Germany.
Kind of spicy. Kind of little thick.
This one's Germany. Tastes like
I suppose it.
the potato sticks
Yeah.
in Jamaica.
Mm-hmm.
Tastes good.
Perfect to go in that goat heads.
Money water.
Yeah, there you go. Might as well. Exactly. Yeah. Perfect. Not bad at all. Put some hot sauce on it, be perfect.
It's good.
So, what's next?
Mommy?
I don't know.
Okay, there's some English. Oh, condensed milk cookies.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why I took it
It
out.
should be good. Condensed milk cookies. Where's this from? Ukraine.
Russia. Ta-ta. There's a cow.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All the cows are the same. I think I already had it. No.
This tastes like
It tastes like something. Oh, you got Jamaica.
yeah. Charlie.
Shirley.
No.
Shirley. It tastes like Shirley.
They had one. Charlie didn't even have this little square package.
Mm.
They had probably like eight in there.
Mm. It tastes like Shirley to
Yeah.
me. The regular, the original.
Tastes like Shirley as well.
Okay. This one gets a pass.
Yeah. I hope to God you save the best for last, huh?
I hope so.
It looks kind of fun.
It look like fun.
Mm-hmm.
Waffles.
It looks like the churros. Is that what it's called?
I should have put stuff with something.
That's the last one. Waffle rolls with halva filling.
What?
Halva filling. You don't know halva? Halva, so the halva is like fruit. You know which fruit? Halva, the fruit that grow on the tree at Jamaica. You never, mommy, you don't come from the right place. The halva something. I don't know what name, so. Okay.
Study the believer?
Scott, you wanna know something funny? So when she just moved here, right? When we got to the arch, so I told her the Arawak Indians walked from Jamaica and they came here and they created the arch. And I had a whole story. Oh, I had her going. She believed it. And I was like, yeah, I have no idea. I just made that up.
Yeah. That's why I ain't grab it. Nope.
No, you try.
You have to try and stop.
Nope.
Scott, you try.
Yeah, no.
Scott, this is the last one. You got to try it.
You don't have to eat it.
You know what? We probably should have Googled what halva is.
It tastes like something spoiled. It tastes like something spoiled. I'm sure like some spoiled coconut or something.
Nice.
It's from Moldova.
Which part name so?
Very good.
I'm going to ask someone for 90 days if you haven't
Very
seen
good
them.
guy. Yeah, nice.
You
Go
like
good. Go good coffee. You still have some coffee with it.
Maybe with coffee it'll taste. I don't know, but
It's good.
that's not my cup of tea.
Yeah.
So we know what snacks Scott's gonna get, which ones we're
that's
gonna
okay.
get.
No.
You know, Scott will get this spicy.
I don't want none of
Right.
that. I ain't taking it.
Okay, guys. So this one, The peanuts from Indonesia, that one's a no-go for us.
This is a no-go.
The wasabi
Definitely
shrimp
a no-go.
chips,
Yeah.
that's a no-go for us. But he likes it.
These
Condensed milk cookies, these are banging. These, oh yeah, these are good. These are good. These are from Hong Kong. Potato sticks, can't go wrong with that. That's good.
Germany.
Yeah, and then this right here,
Crap.
yeah, that's a hard no. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. If you like it, just leave a comment below. Let us know if you want to see some more videos like this.